think I picked the only thing without a price on it. How much is that shirt right there?
I'm sorry.
How much is that shirt right there? I picked the only one without a price on it.
2.
2? I'll take it. You'll keep your hanger?
Please. And we got plenty over there.
Oh, okay. Here's that. Let me get you $2. Nah, I can tote it.
If you're not putting these on there. No, you fold that over.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to the channel, and if you're new here, my name's Evan, and I go to garage sales looking for stuff that I can sell on eBay, hopefully for a profit. And what you're watching here is actually the start of almost 200 miles of garage sales. This is actually what's called the Peaches to the Beaches garage sale. It stretches all the way from Brunswick, Georgia, all the way up to a town called Barnesville. Like I said, almost 200 miles. And this is the very first one. I spent $2 on a shirt. Let me tell you why. So this is a vintage mossy oak camouflage button-down shirt. And what you want to be on the lookout for is this old tree logo. They don't use it anymore, so you can kind of tell it's old. Also, this fall foliage, I think, is a discontinued pattern, so that makes it even more valuable. And this thing actually sold in a couple of weeks for 65 bucks. Honestly, I probably could have held out for a little bit more, but 2 into 65, I felt like that was a pretty good flip. I gotta be honest though, after this sale, there was a long stretch of sales where I walked away empty-handed. Either there was nothing good. Not finding much at this yard sale, but at least they have Chick-fil-A.
Or the pricing just didn't make sense.
And I think I was asking $250.
Okay.
It works. And we got the receiver and the right there.
How much is your PS4? $125.
My buddy Adam that was with me though, honestly, I think he's got a better eye because he picked up a lot of cool stuff. So definitely go check out his channel. I did end up picking up this golf bag for personal use, paid 50 bucks for it. And then when I got it home, I realized it was kind of bulky and I prefer a stand bag. So I sold it on eBay for 170 bucks after about a week. So that was a pretty good profit, even though it was kind of unexpected. And then I ended up picking up a bunch of bread and butter stuff along the way.
Does that say 50 cents?
Huh?
Does that say 50 cents?
Yep.
All right, that's a deal and a half. I'm gonna get that from you. You want your hang it back?
If you don't mind.
I don't mind a bit. I don't need it.
You gonna put it in that bag, or do you want me to
I
get you
can put it
another
in this bag right here.
Okay. Okay.
Tell you what, there's $1. Don't worry about the change. That's close enough. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Appreciate it. You have a blessed day.
You do the same.
I got the blue one.
$1 each of it.
Okay.
John, I see price on everything else but the one I pick up, of course.
I didn't know. $5.
5.
Sorry about that.
Here you go, hon. Thank you.
How about these? They're cool.
I did 4 on those.
4. All right, I'm gonna get these 2 right here. Oh, you got a bag and everything. You're my hero.
Wander around. We got all kinds of
All right.
Let me see it. That's the home goods. The other stuff is
That's a cool bag. How much are your golf clubs?
1 second. He's moving his
Oh, okay.
got the golf clubs.
What you gotta have for them?
I mean, the putter, 10. I said the Titleist wedge 10. I mean, really whatever. Like I said, these are kind of older clubs.
Yeah, kind of a mixed bag, huh?
Yeah. We got some classics.
Yeah.
And then you got not so classic, and then
That's
this one, like I said, it's rusted, but
some people want that.
yeah. That's just a Rockaball hybrid, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, those are 4.
Okay.
That's actually what I hit. I love it.
So I might need a 4, so if this doesn't get sold today.
How about $40 for everything?
Yeah, for all the clubs?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that.
That work?
Y'all look around.
Yeah. Keep looking for sure.
What you got on this guy?
Now that's for parts.
Right.
What would you give me for it?
You don't have the power supply or the power cord?
I don't have nothing with that.
I got you. Without the power cord,
Let me see what kind of power cord it is.
it's specialized.
Oh, it's the
Yeah.
old one. Really?
Very specialized.
I mean, you could a couple of dollars or what?
Oh, you gonna make me buy it, aren't you?
Yeah, well, I can beat that. I guarantee you. I don't know nothing. Take it right with you, a couple of dollars.
All right, I'll do it. What, $2?
Yeah.
All right. Can I leave
The
it?
CB now $15.
Gotcha. I'm gonna grab this right here. I can I leave it sitting there for a few minutes, look
Yes,
around?
you sure can.
All right.
You can leave the box here if you want to. Set it right by his. Ain't nobody gonna bother with it.
I gotta be honest, I have no idea what this contraption is other than it's something to do with a ham radio, but it doesn't really matter. I'm selling it for parts, so I don't necessarily have to know what it is. And the sell-through rate's pretty good too. But one thing I thought I knew about was golf clubs, but based on this next buy, I'm still not so sure. Let me comment down below and let me know what you would have done. I'll throw some eBay comps on the screen. Let me know, was this a good buy, a bad buy? Leave me a comment.
What's going on, clubs?
150.
150.
Yeah, they're about 300. It's about a $300 set.
How about the putter?
$60.
I'm gonna run on down here and keep looking.
All right.
I looked them up last on eBay, and the last set sold a couple weeks ago for like $320.
Gotcha.
But nobody's gonna pay me $320.
Nope.
So
Nope. Let me think on it.
okay.
I appreciate. Oh, you got more over there? These individually priced, or?
Yeah. If you, and if you find several you like, we'll cut it. The ones, that one, this one, that one, and that one. Those are ladies' clubs.
Okay.
Just to save you some time.
All right. Well, even so, what ballpark? What are you looking at? Just so I know, kind of what you're thinking.
For the ladies' ones.
Yeah, just the ones you pointed out.
I mean, heck, I think I would do, if you wanted all 3 of these ladies clubs, I'd do $50.
50.
And if you're doing, like, are you doing resale?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make some money off of that.
Is this your table?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, talk with me. Your iron set and your putter over there. You had 150 and 60, so that's 210.
Talking about buying all
Yeah.
of it. And if you're gonna buy it all, I'll let you take both those. I'll let you take all 3 of those $40. About $250.
So 250.
Just because if you buy all
Yeah. Can you do 220?
Got some deer sausage on the grill.
$230.
Oh, y'all are doing it?
Yeah.
All right,
good,
talk me
don't
into it.
All right, so I spent $230 on what amounts to about $440 worth of golf clubs. And honestly, after eBay fees, that's not a great buy in my opinion. I definitely wouldn't do it again. Leave me a comment, like I said, and let me know what you think. But I don't know whether my math wasn't mathing or it was just a long day and I was tired. I don't know. Certainly not one of my best garage sale buys. But I do want to show you my mistakes as much as my successes, as long as they help you out. But what was one of my favorite garage sales probably ever actually happened at the Beaches this year. I found some amazing stuff, some stuff that I don't find every day, some stuff that's so cool that I haven't even listed it yet because I just kind of want to look at it. It's that cool. But that's going to be its own video coming out next week. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. But after we went to garage sales, we actually hit up a few thrift stores and found some pretty cool stuff there too.
All right, so we're at a Goodwill. I just found these noble shoes. I don't know about cost for me. They're like 40 or 50 bucks. And then there's a bin full of golf clubs, and randomly I just pulled out a full set of Nike VR forged irons. $4 a piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28 bucks. Into at least 200. So yeah, we're gonna get those. All right, these are cool. They're like 45 caliber bullets on shoes, and they're Martin Dingman. I just sold a pair of those for like $100, and these look brand spanking new. I'm gonna look them up, but they only want $10. I did look these up on eBay, and I couldn't find any listed or sold in the past 90 days. So I did some research on the Martin Dingman website, and apparently it's like some special edition Second Amendment shoe that they're doing, and they're selling on their website for $295, which is kind of crazy. So I listed them on eBay for $215, pay $10 for them. Even if I get half of $215, I'm pretty happy with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you stop back by next week for that mega garage sale haul. I'm in love. Like I said, I've found some really cool stuff, so hopefully we'll see you then.